Like, check, it's that pain music. Just gonna talk on it downhill hill. I ain't with all the rapping and saying shit in here. Yeah. Living in the streets, you gotta pray before you leave the house. Niggas don't give a damn about your kids and how you living now. Past catching up, the streets getting younger. The laws the older G's told you no longer matter. You live for the moment and live without the fame. Cause God could pull the plug on your life and end the game. You cherish all your moments and live beyond the glory. And leave your kids moments about your life to tell your story. Niggas will chill with you and look at you like a lick, like you the plug or kingpin, moving weed and plenty bricks. Gotta keep your grass cut, keep these squares up out your circle. That's what Rocco told a nigga, and these niggas ain't loyal. Can't feed every homie if they ain't moving like you. And if you got to, let them be mad and cut them loose. Cause dead weight don't move, it just sit there and smell. That's like the homies that's soaking up space and taking up air. Don't fuck with them, and like that, speak and keep it moving. Yeah, it's like that, cause both of y'all plotting, why y'all coolin'? Who gon' kill who? Cause both of y'all thinking about murder on each other. How that's your homeboy and he wanna do you? That's fucked up. If that's your nigga, he shouldn't envy. Y'all should get money together and kick it to the same rhythm. I took the Vinny off. I'm just dying. Staying in my lane, hoping niggas don't jump wrong. Trying to maintain, keep it cool with my head strong. Pouring up syrup, taking Xan, trying to sleep. Cause the molly got me sticking, thinking everybody flake. Flighting every night with the world on my mind. Got a lot of stress as I'm looking at my 9. Thinking suicidal, but my thoughts on murder. Like how I'm gon' kill 'em, man. Fuck it, I burn 'em. Bitches ain't shit, swear to God, and I knew it. Trying to play a nigga to the left as I'm moving. Was told to pray, about to get head as I'm praying. They feeling even better cause I'm out, been God sent, releasing all my pain in the nut in his angel. She swallowed all my sins, told me God said take it. Throw away the 9, get a chopper, then spray it. Aim it to the left, let it sweep to the right. Die motherfucker, killing everything on sight. Hope it hit the devil, if not, let's fight. Devil, get up off me, face me like a man. I'm here in your path, 10 toes as I stand. Drinking this syrup, slow motion like a fuck. Thought about perk, but I'm already stuck. Mind playing tricks and I wonder who I trust. With all these snakes, make it hard for me to trust. People crying loyalty and love, is it real? I put my loyalty in my hand with the steel. Trust get you killed, and love do too. If I said fuck you, then you might as well move. Cause I don't give a fuck in the way that I feel. I might up the iron, start pressing on your mind. Get the wrinkles out, put a crease in my circle. Ironing these shirts, it's too many niggas wrinkled. At night when I can't sleep, I pop another Xan. Pour me a cup of syrup and just look up to the man. These niggas I'm trusting, wonder which one of them poison. The way that I'm feeling, man, nobody is loyal. Pouring the syrup, pouring the syrup, pouring the syrup. Bitch, I'm pouring the syrup. I'm pouring the syrup. Bitch, I'm pouring the syrup. When I decide to drop.